My name is Taylor Day from Broken Spoke Stable, and today we are going to learn how to do a quick release knot. First, in your left hand, you want to take the rope that is connected to the halter and the tail end of the rope, bring them together in your left hand like this. Take the tail end of the rope, bring it in front of and to the left of the rope that's in your left hand. Bring it round and behind and pull the loop through like that. Then the part that's connected to the halter you can pull on and tighten the rope so there's no slipping. And then if something were to happen in an emergency, you take the tail end and you can just pull and they're automatically free.